Hello everyone! Today, we will show you how to clone a website from the Git repository using xCloud, our next-gen WordPress hosting and server management solution. Let's get started. From your server dashboard in xCloud, select the Clone a Git repository option. Click on the Next button to proceed from the first step. In the Domain step, you can choose to migrate into a new domain, for which you have to set up and verify your DNS. We'll select the Demo Site option for this tutorial. Hit the Next button to move on to the next step. In the Settings step, we can choose to add existing database, no database, or create database in server. Copy and store your database details, which will be needed later. Moving on, we have the Git Repo step. For the necessary details, go to the Git repository. Under the Code drop-down, copy the URL from the SSH tab. Back to xCloud, paste the copied URL in the Git repository field. In the Git branch field, enter the right information, in our case, it is main. Toggle to enable push to display. Copy and store the deployment URL from here since it will be required later. Next, we need the deploy script. Go back to Git repository and navigate to the Settings tab. Then, hit the Webhooks button in the left side panel. Click on the Add Webhook option. Now, paste the copied deployment URL in the payload URL field. Select the application/JSON content type from the drop-down. Hit the Add Webhook button to proceed. Now, click on the Deploy Keys button in the left side panel. Hit the Add Deploy Key button. Enter a key title. Then, you have to provide the key. Go back to xCloud to copy the key at the bottom of the Git repo step. Paste the copied key in the key field. Put a check mark to allow write access. Then, click on the Add New Key button. Back to xCloud, click on the Next button to proceed to the next step. Read all the details and hit the Start button. xCloud will then start the site cloning process from the Git repository. You will get a success message once the migration is complete. Click on the Site Dashboard button to check the new website's details. Go to the left side panel, then the WordPress option and hit the WP Config button. To replace the relevant section, paste the previously copied database details in the editor that follows. Click on the Update Config button once you are done. Now, you can visit your newly cloned website. This is how easily you can clone a website from Git repository using xCloud. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We hope you have an amazing site management experience.